Creating and using a Microsoft Recovery USB drive. A recovery drive can be used to troubleshoot computer issues, to reset a computer system in the event of a serious error, or to reinstall Windows 11. To create a recovery drive, you copy the HP recovery partition to a USB drive. Connect a USB drive with at least 32 gigabytes of space to an available port on the computer. Note: creating a recovery drive erases all data already stored on the USB drive. In Windows, search for and open Create a Recovery Drive. Select Yes on the User Account Control window that displays. Select the Backup System Files to the Recovery Drive checkbox, and then click Next. Select the USB drive you want to use, and then click Next. Click Create to start the creation process. Wait while the computer formats the USB drive, copies utilities, backs up, and then copies system files to the USB drive. A progress bar displays while the recovery drive is being created. Click Finish when the recovery drive is complete and ready for use. Note: store the recovery USB drive in a safe place. After you create a recovery USB drive, you can use it to recover the computer or troubleshoot computer issues. To use the recovery USB drive, you first turn off the computer. Insert the recovery USB drive into an available USB port on the computer. Turn on the computer and immediately press the Escape key until the Startup menu opens. Select F11 to open System Recovery. On the Choose an Option screen, select Use a Device. Select the USB drive you've inserted. Select the preferred keyboard layout. Select Recover from a drive to reinstall Windows from the recovery USB drive. The BitLocker key is requested to continue with the reset. On a different computer, navigate to the Microsoft website, aka.ms/myrecoverykey. A list of BitLocker keys is provided. Use the drive label to identify the BitLocker key for the system you want to boot. On your computer, enter the BitLocker key in the field and click Continue. On the Recover from a Drive screen, select Just Remove My Files. Note: if you want to recycle the PC, you should choose the Fully Clean the Drive option. Click Recover. The computer will turn off and on a few times during the recovery process. When the recovery is complete, the Windows Out-of-Box Experience UBI launches automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions in the UBI. On the Welcome screen, select the Restore From option and click Next. The Windows 11 desktop displays when the UBI is complete. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.